Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Wistfo. Today we'll be going a bit off the track. This is not any regular educational video, rather this is an entertainment video. Recently I purchased a game and it looked really fantastic online, but everything looks fantastic online. Let's check how it looks offline. Let me open it. Well, I'm facing a bit difficulty with scissors. Let me try with knife, it might be easier. Yeah, I suspected something like this beforehand, so I kept it handy, and yeah, it was much easier. Let me open it. Well, it's a bit tight. Well, as you can see, this is a board game. These are the things with which we play, and this is the board. Let's open these. As you can see, this is given in a pouch, a plastic pouch, and there are bicolor coin-like stuff, coin-like things we have here, blue and green. Now let's just arrange it first. Well, I'm taking blue this side. See here. So green here and blue there. As you can see, guys, this is a multiplayer game, and if you can see the writings here, this is a string hockey. Well, the hockey part where we play it with the string. Like suppose I will try it here. I will take this thing and I will pull it back, and you just need to aim at them. See? Now the main purpose of this game is that you have 5 players on your green side and 5 players on your blue side. Now the first person to empty their side, like suppose I'm playing as a blue one, I have to empty all my 5 players onto the green side. Now whoever does this before wins the game. Well guys, thank you for watching our video. That's all for today. Please like and share our video, and I will come back to you with another video, educational or entertainment, or even with something tidbit in the next day. Thank you.